Hi guys, I'm gonna play Roblox Total Drama or whatever it is. So yeah. I only need like 2 coins left, but I really want Libby or Blair or Liana. So yeah guys, do you want to hear me guys scream? I want to be a female. Because of course I'm a female. A girl. Guys, please subscribe. Remember to like and subscribe. What am I? Best. I'm bestie! Nah, it's okay. I don't like bestie, but it's okay. At least, at least, it's not Stacy or Casey. I really wanted to be Blair or Courtney or Libby. I want to be Corey. Oh wow, Courtney. What? Oh my! I'm trying to like go to the roof, but guys. Oh wait, I'm so bad at this. Guys, wish me luck. Oh wait, I can't jump. Huh? I don't understand. Literally trying my best. Sorry guys, I'm like so bad. I'm bad at obbies. Oh my gosh. Amo, Emma, Amo, Emma, Oh no. Do you like it? It's simple as that. That's right, Do you like it? I wanna be yours. Oh my gosh, you know what? I'm so bad. Can I just like go over there or something? I can't just. Please. Okay, I really didn't know what to say, so I just said GG. They're so pretty. Okay. Well, it's simple as that. Is it just me or I pretend the rocks is like a hobby even though it isn't? I always do this when the loading takes so long. Who to vote? Who to vote? Vote. Vote. Guys, please don't vote me. I'm gonna vote. Wait, I'm gonna close my eyes, guys. Who did I vote, guys? Who did I vote? I closed my eyes. Who did I vote? Please don't vote me. It's A? Please. Yes. That's right, They like it. They keep coming back. Oh, wow, she just left. Goodbye, everyone. I really want to be like, I really want to be, okay, I'm gonna pretend it's Abby again. I can't touch the green tree, so I won't go. Pretty good at this. Wait, I touched the green. Again. Okay, don't go. Aw, man. No, I'm so bad at this. Guys, wish me luck. I'm so bad at this. I just know I'm gonna lose. Ooh, Sabina. Anikam boom 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 boom. Na Sabina. Anikam boom 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 boom. I'm so lucky. First, it's for the status right down here. Guys, I was first. Dizzy. Okay, I feel bad. Come on, Dizzy. Yes. Who's... Going upstairs. Guys, I'm the only one who hates 6-7. I'm trying to get up the tree. Yay! And the star of the tree. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Come back. Wait, I can go there?